Welcome back to Today in History. Buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey through time, uncovering 20 astonishing, weird, and mind-blowing events that happened on November 15th throughout the ages. From epic voyages to groundbreaking inventions, this list is packed with surprises you won't want to miss. If you're a history enthusiast or just love a good story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible adventure. Number 20. November 15th, 1492. Christopher Columbus notes in his journal the use of tobacco among Native Americans. Observing locals puffing on rolled leaves, he inadvertently discovers smoking. Little did he know he'd spark a global habit. Thanks, Columbus. Number 19. November 15th, 1533. Spanish conquistador Francisco Pizarro arrives in Cuzco, the capital of the Inca Empire. Let's just say his visit wasn't exactly friendly, more conquer and plunder than meet and greet. Number 18. November 15th, 1777. The Continental Congress approves the Articles of Confederation, the first constitution of the United States. They finally agreed on something. Who knew cooperation was possible? Number 17. November 15th, 1806. Explorer Zebulon Pike spots a distant mountain peak in Colorado, later named Pikes Peak. He probably thought, that looks climbable. Spoiler alert, he never reached the summit. Number 16. November 15th, 1864. Union General William Tecumseh Sherman begins his infamous March to the Sea during the American Civil War. He left a trail of destruction. Talk about a road trip with attitude. Number 15. November 15th, 1889. Brazil becomes a republic after a military coup d'etat overthrows Emperor Pedro II. Bye-bye monarchy, hello samba and democracy. Well, sort of. Number 14. November 15th, 1920. The first assembly of the League of Nations convenes in Geneva, Switzerland. World peace achieved? Not quite, but they gave it the old college try. Number 13. November 15th, 1926. The National Broadcasting Company, NBC, launches with a network of 24 radio stations. The airwaves would never be the same. Hello, entertainment. Goodbye, silent evenings. Number 12. November 15th, 1939. U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt lays the cornerstone of the Jefferson Memorial in Washington, D.C., building monuments to greatness. Just another day at the Oval Office. Number 11. November 15th, 1942. World War II. The Battle of Guadalcanal ends with a decisive Allied victory. The tide turns in the Pacific, surfs up for the Allies. Number 10. November 15th, 1956. The first commercial use of videotape is demonstrated in California. Say goodbye to film reels and hello to binge watching. Well, eventually. Number 9. November 15th, 1966. Gemini 12, NASA's final Gemini mission, splashes down safely, solving spacewalk challenges. 2 astronauts return as spacewalking pros, high fives all around. Number 8. November 15th, 1969. Over 250,000 protesters gather in Washington, D.C. for the largest anti-war demonstration in U.S. history. Peace signs and protest songs echo across the Capitol. Number 7. November 15th, 1971. Intel releases the world's first commercial single-chip microprocessor, the 4004. The dawn of the digital age begins. Your smartphone's great-great-grandparent just arrived. Number 6. November 15th, 1988. The Soviet Union launches the unmanned shuttle Buran on its only spaceflight. The USSR says, "We can build a space shuttle too." One and done, but impressive nonetheless. Number 5. November 15th, 1989. Lech Wałęsa, leader of Poland's Solidarity movement, addresses the U.S. Congress. From shipyard electrician to global freedom icon, not too shabby. Number 4. November 15th, 2001. Microsoft releases the original Xbox game console in North America. Gamers rejoice as a new challenger enters the console wars. Time to level up. Number 3. November 15th, 2006. Al Jazeera. English launches worldwide, bringing new perspectives to global news. Because who doesn't love more channels to flip through? Number 2. November 15, 2012. Xi Jinping becomes General Secretary of the Communist Party of China. New boss in Beijing. Stay tuned for global impact. Number 1. November 15, 2017. A 5.4 magnitude earthquake strikes Pohang, South Korea, causing significant damage. A rare seismic event shakes things up, literally. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through November 15th's most remarkable events. If these historical nuggets intrigued you, made you laugh, or taught you something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Today in History. Hit that notification bell so you're always first to know about the wild and wonderful moments we've got lined up. Until next time, keep exploring the past. It's full of surprises.